Good morning, this is Keith All, and today welcome back to another tips, tricks, and hacks using the Builderall platform and specifically within the Cheetah Builder. Today we're going to learn some mobile editing techniques. So it won't be a very long video, but anyways it's very valuable because this will help you learn a little bit about how the mobile version works. So right now over here on the left, I'm on the desktop version. I have a box element. Within that box element I have an image element and then a text element. So you can see how it is currently on the desktop. Now let's go over to the mobile version and we'll see what it does initially for the display. Now this was the top one. You could see how short, or the height is dramatically smaller than what it was on the desktop. Couple things here. Now when you click in this area, you would think, well, this is the image element, which it is, but if I click over here, we're still on the image element. And let's say you want to edit the box element that's behind this. There's a few ways that you could do this. One way is let's edit this text element here. Let's go over here and let's go over to advanced and watch what happens to the text element. See, it gets shorter a little bit. So you could dramatically change. It doesn't change necessarily the width of the text element. We're just changing it so it closes up the distance that was there before. Now if we close this, and now let's click over here, now we could have a little bit more space to click on the box element. So now you can see that we have the box element selected. Again, if you click over here and now click over, there's a little gap here between the box element and actually the panel that sits behind it. That'll give you a chance to select the box element, or other ways is of course decrease the elements on the box element so you have more space around these elements to click on the box element. Now we can edit this box element, and now let's adjust this size on the mobile version. If we go up here, look at the properties and select sizes, there's something called the minimum height. If you click over here, watch the height of this box element increase. So it does that. So for whatever reason the Cheetah Builder does that in certain instances where it's gonna initially display your box element, in this case with a very small height, and then you can just come in here and adjust it this way. So from here, now let's go back to the desktop, and you can see that minimum height adjustment on the mobile version didn't change this height on the desktop version. Hopefully this gave you some new insight on how to edit certain things on the mobile version within the Cheetah Builder. Thanks you for stopping by today. I appreciate your support. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification. And also please like, share, and comment. And of course, if you have additional thoughts on this tutorial, or if you want additional instruction how to edit certain things in the mobile version, please leave a comment below and I'll make sure I'll make a future tutorial on it and help you out. Thanks again, You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.